Now guys, this is a review of my Husqvarna 525 IHE3 hedge cutter. I bought this after I actually broke my last one. So I had the 520 IHE3. If you want to see the review for that, I'll put a thing on the screen. So I bought this for, I'll put it on the screen there for you. So this is, the 525 IHE3. I was really impressed with the cutting speed and the power of this straight out of the box. I initially didn't think there'd be much of an improvement that I'd see from the 520 to the 525, but as soon as I bought it, excellent, really impressed. So there we go, I can put it on. We change the angle all the way around. There we go. Cuts up to 4,400 cuts a minute. The blades are extremely sharp. I know this because I cut my finger on the first day of using it, and all I did was just grab the blade and I managed to cut my finger wide open. So schoolboy error there, but I'd highly recommend this for professional gardeners. The Husqvarna range don't seem to really get the love and the spotlight than other brands, but I really trust them. I use a Husqvarna range on quite a few of my gardening products, so I'd really recommend this for anyone who does a lot of hedge cutting. It leaves really good finish, and I will leave a little video of me using it cutting a conifer. All right, cheers guys.